G'day! Back to make another burger tonight. Had some meat left over from last night's burger, so why not make another burger? So tonight's burger is going to be based on the Oklahoma fried onion burger, though strictly it's not going to be one. It's just the technique of cooking the meat with the onion is from that. I am using potato rolls because, hey, they're great for this kind of burger with the steaming, but I'm adding a few things into it that I'll show you presently. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so in tonight's burger we've got the leftover mince from last night, using American cheese, potato roll, white onion, important. I've got these Feldberg sweet and hot chipotle cucumbers, which are pretty tasty. I'm putting jalapenos, and I'm using French's yellow American mustard. Traditionally, a Oklahoma fried onion burger does not have the mustard. Pickles are optional, but I'm going all in with the pickles, the jalapenos, and the mustard. One of the vitally important factors in this style of burger is the onion. Now, it's important to use white onion rather than brown onion, which you would normally use to cook up. You use white onion raw usually because it's a salad onion or red onion. But the thing is with the white onion is it cooks super quick because it's a little bit sweet. And what you want to do is you want to cut it like as thin as humanly possible. Now, obviously, you could do this with a meat slicer or some sort of tool, or if you just got good knife skills, like moi, you can just cut them up super thin. Now, just because I like to go a little bit extra, I've got a leek in the fridge, so I'm going to use some leek with my fried onion burger as well, because why the hell not? Can't hurt, right? Leek's sweet, like onion. Yeah, see how it goes. So I've also sliced the leek like super thin as well, so I'm just going to mix that in with the onion, and I don't know, could be a fail, could be a win. Let's give it a go. Now, just because I wanted to do something different, I've actually mixed in some sriracha with my mustard, so I'm going to make like a sriracha mustard, see how that goes. Yeah, worth a try. Okay, so that's my sriracha mustard, so that's actually given it quite a nice little tang to it. The vinegar from the mustard, from the sriracha, has kind of combined in there. Not so much the spiciness, but yeah, it's more of a flavour thing. Okay, so my hot plate's ready to go. I'm just going to put this burger together. This is a really fast burger to make. That's really hot. It's a really fast burger to make, so this is going to take minutes. Well, hang on, I need to make. Hey. There they are. Okay, so got my balls of meat, got my seasoning ready to go. Let's bash this together. Season the meat. Season the meat. Tiniest bit of pepper. Not very much. Okay, now the onions. Excuse me, I do this every time. Onions and the leek straight on top. Straight on top. Okay, that one will go over a bit. That's all good because watch what happens when you smash it down. Get that back on top there. Back on top there. Right, where's my smasher? Come here, mate. And we smash it. I really need some barbecue sauce. This is ridiculous. See, and as the meat flattens out, it kind of takes up with that onion. Yeah, a bit black in there on the onion, but that's fine. It's part of the burger. So we just burn these up. Okay. Now, American cheese.
cheese. We get the lid off the bun. Put it on this one, because there's flame over here for some reason. That's going to kind of cook there. Hang on, so that's going to cook there. And that just kind of steams the bottom of the bun. Steams the bun through. The cheese is melting rather quickly. I'm going to take these off really soon. Well, what we're going to do, wipe that up. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to get this guy. Him up, put him on top of the other one. Right, now, you're going to get the bottom. This is different, this is unusual. Putting the mustard, I'm putting the mustard on the bottom. As I said, these burgers don't usually come with sauce, but I feel like sauce. Alright, so I put the mustard on the bottom. Putting my pickles on the mustard. So that many pickles. And putting the jalapenos on there. Like that. Now straighten this guy up. Putting him on there. Up with is a Oklahoma fried onion burger. Beautiful. So I'm going to sit down and taste this fella now. Should be good. Okay, so I'm going to sit down and taste my this version of the Oklahoma fried onion burger. Clearly, it's a variation. I mentioned this several times. The traditional fried onion burger does not have sauce, does not have pickles. Pickles are an option, sauce is an option. I've added both. My sriracha mustard combination that I've created. Apart from that, and the jalapenos and the pickles, it's pretty much spot on. So if we have a bit of a look to camera there. That's kind of what you're looking for. Those blackened bits of onion are all part of the deal. They're delicious. So and also with the potato bun, it doesn't matter if it's not toasted. It gets steamed when it's on there, so it's warm. It doesn't matter, but potato buns have a creaky door. Potato buns have a good integrity to them, so it's going to hold together. I'm going to close that down, but it closed itself, it's fine. Alright, so let's have a bite. Juicy and delicious. The smash your patties right, they will always be juicy. These were 115 grams each, I think. Got them crispy, got them juicy. Nothing wrong with that. Now, this is a there's a lot of sweetness coming from the onions and the charcoal, that crispiness of those onions. That, I don't know, it reminds me of family barbecues as a kid. Dad'll leave the onions on the barbecue for too long. I bet you eat them anyway. They're good. It's good. It's a great burger. The simplicity of just the meat, the cheese, the onion, the bread, the pickles and the sauce. It's just amazing. It's amazing enough on its own with just those few ingredients. Bread, well, potato bun, smashed patty, onion, salt. That's really all you need. Anyway, thank you very much once again for enjoying this journey with me. And I'm going to create more burgers, my versions and variations of said burger as time moves on. Peace. Just one more thing, of course, if you like my videos and all the other videos on my channel, there's lots of music videos, there's now going to be burger videos. If you like my burgers, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, and you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe, so you can keep up to date. And you know, it's nice. It's validation. So, cheers. Have a good one.